welcome back again with me, Manchester Casual Air Country SKI. Today I want to present you guys about how to make chocolate sandwich. It is practical, easy to make, and delicious. So let's get started. First of all, we should prepare and what we need such as 2 bread slices, some chocolate sprinkles, grated cheese, and butter. Add something else for the base. If those things are ready yet, you can make it now. So, first of all, prepare and put a bread slice on the base. Then take some knob of butter using knife. After, smear of butter on the bread slice. Put some chocolate sprinkles and spread them around a bread surface. Then put some grated cheese and sprinkle them around the bread surface too. And finally, put one on top of it. Tada! Our chocolate sandwich to be served as me taste for us. Yummy! This is taste the best. See you. Thank you for watching. See you next video.